I think I finally found the tripod of my dreams and I'll share it with you guys. So this is called the Elicus tripod. I honestly just find it on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to do an unboxing with you guys. So pretty much this is the packaging. Seems pretty nice so far, pretty heavy. I wanted to record the actual unboxing of it because it seems pretty promising. Bluetooth, remote control, 360 shots. So let's jump right into it. So this is what we can see on the box. I'm just seeing this at the same time I'm recording with the other hand, so let's just jump into the first thing. So it's the remote control. It seems pretty nice. The size is pretty good. Like honestly, I love the detail of the strap over here. Seems pretty nice. The second thing is the holder, the actual full holder. It seems pretty nice and stable. Let's just hope it's what it seems like, because sometimes it doesn't work, but let's try it out. Let's give it a chance. The third one over here is the holder. It's like for a GoPro. It's pretty nice detail. I didn't expect this honestly because I didn't read the reviews that far, but like here we are. And this is, what is this? This is a case. This is like a dust bag for it. So pretty nice color, black. So yeah, love it so far. Yeah. And now we have the actual tripod. Come on, this baby is like really nice. Come on, look at this tripod. It's not just an easy tripod. It comes with all of this, the holder for the remote if you just want to put it in there. It seems pretty heavy, which I love. I really love that it's heavy, so it's stable because that's what we are looking for. The first step say that we have to just adjust the upper part, the orange part. So yeah, let's do it. So now that I've done it, I can open it from, yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'll put it on the floor so you guys can see it better. So this is what we got. Look at that. It seems pretty nice, pretty promising. It seems really stable, honestly. It's heavy. Let's just see how high it is. Yeah, so yeah, pretty nice height for it, for a tripod. I mean, it's pretty nice though. I'll show you compared to my lamp over here. Just go around like my neck, I would say. It's pretty. I'll leave the details below so you guys can see all those details if you guys need it, but like this is what we are going to try right now. Let's try the phone holder first. This is the one that I'm looking for. Yeah, let's just try it out. So here we go. Let's just try to adjust it. As you can see, you can do vertical, horizontal shots. This is what I love the most. You can also do these kind of shots over here. Like you can pretty much do every shot that you need. If you're gonna do like a cooking kind of video, you can totally do it. It's pretty nice shot. You can get all shots. I'll try it. This is me just trying some shot. It seems kind of creepy, but like, yeah. Now let's jump into the remote control. We have to try it out. Let's just see if it works. I think it comes with a battery. Yeah, so it comes with this thing over here. Yeah, it comes with battery. Awesome. So that's another nice detail. Great shot for this one, honestly. Yeah. So that's how you turn it on. Seems pretty nice, pretty simple to use. Once the light is low, it means that it's ready to connect. So you can just use your phone, connect it to the Bluetooth, and there you go, it's ready to shot. So thank you guys for watching this video. Now I'm gonna use my both hands on my videos, which I love. I was looking for this kind of shots and I love it so far. So now you know, if you were looking for a tripod, I totally recommend this so far. See you next time.